If every supermarket in your town shut tomorrow for a month, what would you actually eat? Not in theory, in real life, in your house right now. Most people in the UK have about 3 days of food once you strip out takeaways and Deliveroo. In this video, I'm going to show you 20 foods you can stockpile that almost never go off if you store them right. Stuff you can buy in Tesco, Aldi, Lidl, Asda, normal shops that quietly sit on your shelf for years, ready for the next bit of UK chaos. If you're new here, I'm Charlie and this is Charlie Survival, realistic UK survival and preparedness for normal people on this little island we call home. If that sounds like your thing, hit subscribe to join the fast growing community and comment down below what food you think is most important to stockpile. Quick reality check, no food truly never expires, but there are foods that kept cool, dry and sealed will outlive almost everything else in your cupboard. So here's the plan. 20 items you can get in the UK, why they're powerful for survivalists and preppers, how to store them so they last 10, 20 or even 30 years in some cases. The last few are the ones that keep your morale and mental health together when everything else feels grim. Section 1. Protein that lasts. 1. Tinned fish. Tuna, mackerel, sardines. If you only remember one thing, make it this. Tinned fish is protein gold, high calories, healthy fats, and as long as the tin stays intact and rust-free, it will last years past the best before. Rotate it like normal food, but if you find a tin at the back of the cupboard 5 years later, chances are it will still bait you out. 2. Tinned chicken. Not as sexy as tuna, but really underrated. Tinned chicken is brilliant for instant meals when the power's out. Open the tin, mix with pasta or rice, and you've got actual protein, not just carbs and sugar. Lower in fat, but cheap, versatile, and usually good for several years. 3. Tinned ham or corned beef. Is it gourmet? Absolutely not. Will you be grateful for it day 17 of a power cut? Yes. Dense calories, salt and fat in one hit. Easy in sandwiches, fried up on a camping stove or thrown into a stew. 4. Dried beans. Kidney beans, black beans, cannellini, the lot. Dried beans are buy once, eat for years. You do need fuel and water to cook them, so think of these as long-term staples, not your first grab in a short power cut. 5. Dried lentils. Red lentils are perfect for thickening sauces and stretching meat further. One pack of mince plus a handful of lentils suddenly feeds double the people. 6. Peanut butter or any nut butters. Peanut butter is one of the kings of don't leave home without it. High calories, good fats, decent protein, and most jars last years unopened. It doesn't need a fridge, and even after opening it, it's pretty forgiving. A couple of spoonfuls with some oats and you've got serious fuel in a bowl. Section 2. Carbs that don't quit. 7. White rice. White rice is a classic for a reason. It's cheap, calorie dense, and if you keep it in an airtight container away from moisture, it can last decades. Brown rice is healthier, but the oils go rancid over time, so for storage, white is better. 8. Dry pasta. Plain dry pasta, not fresh, not fancy egg pasta, will last years if kept dry and sealed. In an emergency, a pan of pasta with tinned fish and a bit of oil feels like a proper normal meal, which is huge for morale. 9. Oats. Porridge oats are a survivalist and prepper's dream. Cook them, soak them, bake them, or eat them straight if you're desperate. They're great for breakfast and for bulking out other meals. Stored in jars or buckets out of sunlight, they'll keep for years. 10. Instant mash flakes. This doesn't feel preppy, but it's genius. Instant mash is light, compact, and needs very little fuel. Just hot water and a bit of salt and you've got a filling, comforting, calorie-dense side. If you've ever tried to boil whole potatoes on a tiny camping stove, you'll know why this is on the list. If you're thinking, Charlie, this is great, but I don't know where to start, I've just added a food survival section to the Charlie Survival Amazon kit list. It's got UK-friendly options for most of these, plus the containers and bags I use to store them. Hit the link in the description and have a browse and build it up over time. Section 3. Fats, sugar and electrolytes. 11. Cooking oil and ghee. For longer term storage, things like ghee, clarified butter or tallow are much more stable. Fat isn't just for cooking, it's essential calories, especially in winter or when you're doing hard physical work. 12. Sugar. White sugar, brown sugar, even golden syrup. It basically doesn't go off as long as you keep moisture out. Worst case, it clumps. Smash it up and carry on. Sugar gives quick energy, lets you bake and makes grim tea a bit more bearable. 13. Honey. Honey is famous for lasting practically forever when stored properly. If it crystallizes, it hasn't gone off, just gently warm it. It's a natural sweetener and great in herbal teas when you're run down. 14. Salt. Salt is boring and unsexy and completely essential. It doesn't expire. You need it to make food taste like anything and for electrolyte balance if you're sweating a lot. Big bag of table salt, some rock salt, maybe some stock cubes. Dirt cheap, lasts indefinitely. Section 4. Vitamins, veg and fruit from tins. 15. Tin tomatoes. More acidic, so they don't last quite as long as beans and tuna, but you'll use them constantly anyway. Tomatoes form the base of so many cheap meals, pasta sauces, stews, chili curries. Stock up when they're on offer and keep them rotating. 16. Tinned veg. Peas, carrots, sweet corn, mixed veg. Are they as nice as fresh? No. Will you care in a blackout in February? Also no. Tinned veg gives vitamins, fibre and colour on the plate. It stops meals feeling like beige apocalypse mush. Treat these as medium term, rotate them into normal cooking. Keep a few layers deep and you'll always have something green to throw in the pot. 17. Tinned fruit. This one is about morale as much as nutrition. Peaches, pineapples, mandarins, whatever you actually like. They give you natural sugars, vitamin C, and a sense that life isn't completely awful. More acidic, so you don't forget about them for decades, but a rotating stash is brilliant for kids and adults when stress is high. Section 5. Never expire staples and morale boosters. 18. Powdered milk. Fresh milk disappears the second there's a supply issue. Powdered milk steps in. It's not as grim as people remember if you mix it well. Use it on cereals, in teas or coffee, or in baking. Unopened and kept cool and dry, it lasts much longer than a bottle in the fridge and gives you protein, fat and calcium when the shops are bare. 19. Tea, coffee and hot chocolate. Is this survival? Yes it is. A hot cuppa on a cold, dark evening when the lights are out does more to your mental health than half the gear people obsess over. Tea and coffee stored dry have a very long shelf life. Hot chocolate powder is great for kids and for pure morale. 20. Spices, stock cubes and gravy granules. Last but not least, flavour. In a long emergency, bland food becomes soul destroying. A few jars of curry powder, mixed herbs, chili flakes and a tub of gravy granules turns rice and beans into an actual meal. Cheap, long lasting and they make everything else on the list 10 times more enjoyable. A couple of extra tins on every shop, one big bulk bag of rice when you can afford it. You don't have to do this in one big expensive haul. How to store it so it actually lasts. None of this matters if you store it badly. Here's 3 simple rules. Keep it cool, not next to the boiler. Dry, off the floor, away from damp walls. Keep it dark, cardboards, under bed boxes, a wardrobe, anywhere out of direct sunlight. Used first in, first out. New tins go to the back, older tins come to the front. Eat from your preps every week so nothing feels weird or emergency only. So that's 20 foods that stored properly will sit quietly in the background and buy you weeks, if not years of breathing room if the UK ever wobbles. This isn't about bunkers and apocalypse fantasies, it's about not having to panic when the shelves empty again. If you found this useful, hit like so YouTube shows it to more people in the UK and make sure you're subscribed for realistic island specific prepping. Drop a comment and tell me which one item from this list you're going to stock more of this month. And if you want to actually act on this and not just watch it and forget it, head over to the Charlie Survival Amazon kit list. It's all UK friendly survival gear, car breakdown kits, blackout gear, water, food storage, no nonsense. Click the Amazon link in the description to get your basics sorted. Now you know what foods are critical for survival, it's time to see what foods could disappear so you know what ones to get before it's too late. Click this video on screen now to learn all about it and I'll see you over there.